The lady herself is finally here, and I'll just make it as quick as I can. Yvonne, what inspired this book?
My life inspired the book.
And why do you think this is the time for you to actually put it out there?
I want people to get a copy of the book. They would understand why this book is so important to me and why I had to write this book.
Now, talking to some of your colleagues, I asked them if they were privy to some of these stories you shared in the book, and they said yes. Usually we want to keep secrets with our friends, but you have kept these secrets for all these years, and now you have put it in a book and you're putting it out there. Why?
Just grab a copy, you'd know why.
Grab a copy! Yeah. Actor John Dumelo says something which I found very touching. You know, Manasseh put out a tweet about, someone very close to the president wanting you to actually contest against John Dumelo. Right, so actor John Dumelo, I know you're a very good friend of Yvonne Nelson. My first question is, would you ever be comfortable to put yourself out there by letting the world know the real you?
Yes. Just as we filmmakers, we tell stories of our culture, our love stories, our heritage. I think it's very important for us to tell our own story, of course, through a book, so that people don't come and tell our stories for us, so that people don't say, oh, we thought it was this or we thought it was that. And so it's very encouraging what she's done. And of course, I would encourage a lot of people to do it. She's done it much earlier. Most people, write their books when they are almost retiring from their careers and so on and so forth. She's done it much earlier, and I know for a fact that probably she would bring, she'll put out more books later on. So
now looking at her, I know she's more like a sister to you. If you have a sister who has had to go through all of these things, how would you feel and how would you be able to console her at this time of her life?
Look, I think everybody goes through tough times. And I think, like the saying goes, it's tough people who go through tough times. And so it's very important for you to write them down and for let people know. Maybe somebody's going through a similar story. Yesterday I was with a friend and, what he kept on saying was, he was just telling me about his life story and what he's going through and, what he went through. And so people go through a lot of things, and what she's going through, somebody will have a similar story. Somebody will say, oh, you know what, I'm going through the same thing, but I like the way Yvonne has come out to talk about it, So it makes you heal quicker so that you can move on quicker.
There was this part Manasseh actually put out about your constituency. That there was somebody so close to the president who wanted her to stand in that constituency. Of course, you were also, standing for the NDC. How would it have been if Yvonne Nelson had taken that position to contest against you?
She told me about, she told me about this thing long ago, that, somebody approached her to contest, against me. And what I realized was, I respected her for that. I respected her for, number one, telling me. I respected her for not taking that decision, because clearly, if you've been told to contest, of course, whoever is telling you or the group of people telling you are ready to support you with whatever it is you need. And so I think she put our friendship there, that look, you know what, John is my friend. I cannot do this against John. I cannot contest against John. And that is what real friends do. And I've really respected her for that.
Now, you have been a very good friend of Yvonne. She constantly is like, she says it without fear or favor. Looking at the things she has put out in her book, were you privy to some of these things?
Yes, I was. I was privy to some of the things she said in her book. And, so it wasn't surprising when I saw some tweets about it, that this was what was going on in her life and so on and so forth. So I was privy to some of the things, and I'm glad she said it.
My sister here, Joselyn, obviously, who was here to support her sister Yvonne as well. Joselyn, there's a question I keep asking. Would you be comfortable to put your life in a book for the whole world to read about it?
I think that with what we find ourselves doing, our lives are already out there. Whether there's a perception or there's none, people already sort of, study our lives. So yes, why not? I think that, like Yvonne said, she was inspiring. I mean, the idea behind this is to inspire someone. There's a girl out there with a dream just like she had, and you know, the blueprint that she used, she's hoping that the person is going to even follow and do better. So I think that, yes, why not? I would be comfortable doing that.
Would I say, knowing her in the industry, some of the things she read out from this book, would you say you were privy to some of them?
Actually, no. I haven't. Unfortunately, I haven't worked with her before. But then, you know, she's my friend. She's an acquaintance in the industry.